Hi there. Today we're going to be discussing a solution that we've developed called the stage highlight component. In its simplest form factor, this is a solution that facilitates a user experience focused end-to-end opportunity process. So those of you that have worked on Salesforce before, I'm sure you guys have all had an opportunity process where every time you try to move it to that next stage, you're getting an error message saying, hey, this field's missing. And then you try to move it to the stage after correcting that data, a new validation, and you're playing this ping pong game, what seems like for eternity, until eventually you filled out all the information and can successfully move to that next stage. If you think about how frustrating that is for your end users, this is why so many times there's poor adoption on Salesforce, is because it's just unnecessarily annoying for your team to complete the work that they need to complete. So what we've done here is we've developed a component that facilitates your opportunity process that your end users will actually be able to use and understand easily. So the goal here is to maximize adoption and really diminish your onboarding costs for a new team member while simultaneously providing a way for your users to easily capture the data that your organization needs to run. If you think about the world of AI analytics, if you guys don't have that data entered, you're losing out on harnessing the power of those technologies. So, what we're about to dive into is how this component works, what it can do, and more importantly, how it can be extended for any customizations that meet your process. So, diving more into the mechanics of the stage highlight, one important thing to call out is that how this is built behind the scenes is really flexible to change. So if you've ever been in one of those Salesforce environments where your team is telling you, hey, we can't change Salesforce because it's too complex, we've built a back end to just this solution that is meant for your team to be able to make changes super quickly. So just like to call that out that as much as this is improving your end user experience, it's also making the administration of your Salesforce super simple and giving you the ability to make changes rapidly. So let's just dive into an example. So right now I'm in the discovery stage, and let's say I want to move it to the demo stage. There's no other way for me to progress this opportunity outside of this button. If a user found a way, they would obviously be blocked. But let's say I'm thinking, hey, I did everything I need to do, even though the screen's obviously telling me I haven't, but I'm going to go to the next stage. I click next stage. I instantly get these validations telling me, hey, you're missing this stuff. So let's go fill out this information. So let's just go here. Let's change him to our decision maker. We'll click save. And then let's just update this. And let's click next stage now. Oh, looks like I'm missing one additional field. And we'll go, sure, next stage. Now we've progressed to the demo stage. There's no requirements here, nothing expected of my user, but I do have these quick, simple actions. So for instance, if I want to log a quick task, brings up the task module, you have behind the scenes the ability to configure what kind of type options are here and ease of selection of the related contact. In the same vein, we have a scheduling a meeting action, which is also completely configurable behind the scenes as to what meeting types can be selected, and really full flexibility yet again. The final thing I'll just draw attention to is this lost action. So right within here, you can have different types of loss stages. You can force collection of your loss reasons and even details. And what's great about this is a lot of organizations lose sight of the value of knowing why they lost something. So forcing your users to input this kind of information can only make you stronger as an organization and enable you to learn and close more deals in the future. So that's our stage highlight component. It seems simple from the front end, but really the power of it is the simplicity for your end users and the maintenance of it. If you have any questions or love a more in-depth demo, please reach out. Thank you.